I'm Pallavi Dhave, leader and representative of Bombay Squadron.
I am Nishigandha Shivaye.
Darshan More.
I'm Yash Bhandari.
I am Maniket Paide.
How did your team decide to participate in Solar Decathlon India?
So we were introduced to Solar Decathlon as a year-long elective. Then we choose the elective with the thought of sustainability as our point of interest.
So we decided to participate in this division after taking some learning through the current pandemic situation that we realized we are not well prepared for these scenarios.
How does it feel to be competing with fellow students of your own university?
It is a bit of competitiveness in everyone, so no one shares their work. Everyone tries to improve, and that's the good thing. And like the sustainability is going to be the future, so everyone is getting the knowledge of it.
How is your experience working with Mashal as your project partner?
Our project partner is Mashal, which is Maharashtra Social Housing and Action Lead, represented by architect Sharad Mahajan.
He has been working towards providing shelter and relief for the affected ones in Pune and Mumbai. The learnings which we got from him was like the affordability aspect of construction when it comes to designing all the things. He explained us how the mitigation process can happen during the flood situation.
What are your roles in the team?
In our team, there are total 9 members. So in that, we have divided our team into 3 different groups, which are design group, simulation group, and the calculation team. So I'm from calculation team. I have also taken other roles like presentation and innovation.
I'm from the simulation team, and also I have taken other roles apart from simulation like energy performance, affordability, comfort, and environmental quality.
I'm working in a calculation team as I found myself really good with numbers.
I am from the design team, and my role in the team is basically to design the built-up areas.
How does your team accommodate different opinions from members?
While working in a team, there are some different opinions, but as far as our team is considered, there were no conflicts as such. But there were different opinions, but we tried to manage to get all the people's opinions on the same plane with a logical reasoning as such.
In the current climate, how are you managing your schedules to work on Solar Decathlon India?
We actually remind the teammates beforehand on the group whose timing don't match with us. So during the weekends, so maybe they are also free at that time. So if they aren't, they usually remind us on the group.
Even in the weekdays, if we have to meet, the night is the only option. So we try to manage a time where we both the college get finished.
What kind of background research have you done regarding your site?
We have consulted a number of architects and our senior batches who have worked on their thesis, who have their projects in Mumbai in those areas.
So we have actually seen the on-site photos, but surely when this pandemic situation surpasses, we'll surely physically go and visit that site.
What was your biggest challenge in this competition?
The first one we felt was bringing everyone on the same platform and going ahead because everybody is at their home and busy in some household works. But now we feel like it is going very smoothly amongst us because of some really good coordination in between us.
How have the self-learning modules and webinars helped you?
Webinars and self-learning modules have proved way helpful for us.
We used to watch the self-learning modules and the webinars. We used to take down the notes and also, even ask the questions live there.
Our faculty lead and advisor also conducted multiple short knowledge building sessions for the calculation and simulation, and these really helped us to understand the webinars and the self-learning modules more.
What aspirations do you have out of Solar Decathlon India on a personal or a professional level?
Whenever we would do our masters ahead, we'll be fully prepared with the knowledge we are gaining right now. But apart from all these things, the most important thing is that we'll have the skill and the knowledge required in this field.